Hello and welcome back to Chatterbox English. I'm Elena.
And I'm Pavel. Today, we're dealing with a classic household headache. Something is broken at home, and you need to call a professional to fix it. It's time to learn how to describe your problem and arrange a home service visit in English.
Exactly. Whether it's a plumber, an electrician, or a general handyman, clear communication is key to getting the right help. So, Pavel, imagine you're in your new apartment and the kitchen tap is dripping nonstop. It's driving you crazy. Where do you start?
I'd look for a local handyman service online, but when I call, I need to explain the problem clearly. I can't just say water is coming out.
Right. You need to be specific. Start with a clear statement. Hello, I need to book a handyman to look at a leaking kitchen tap, please.
What kind of questions?
First, they'll likely ask for your address and contact details. Then they'll ask about the problem. Is it a constant drip or just when you turn it on? Or have you tried tightening it yourself? Be honest. It's a constant slow drip. I haven't tried to fix it as I don't have the tools.
Then they'll ask about timing.
Yes, they might say, we have a slot available tomorrow afternoon between 1 and 4 p.m. Would that work? You can answer, tomorrow afternoon is perfect. Or ask, do you have anything available sooner? Always confirm if there is a call-out fee.
What about the price? I'm always nervous to ask.
You must ask. A reputable service will often give a rough estimate over the phone. Ask, could you give me a rough estimate for this job, including labor and parts? They might say, for a standard tap repair, it's usually around 60 to 80 pounds, depending on if we need a new washer or cartridge. The final price will be confirmed after inspection.
Let's practice. I'll call a handyman service. You answer.
All right. Ring, ring. Good morning, City Fixers. How can I help?
I need to book a repair for a leaking kitchen tap, please.
I can help with that. Is it a hot or cold tap, and is the drip constant?
It's the cold water tap, and yes, it drips constantly, day and night.
Understood. We can send a plumber tomorrow. What's your postcode for scheduling?
It's SE5 8AT.
Thanks. We have a time slot between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Is that okay? There's a standard 30-pound call-out fee, which is deducted from the total job cost if you proceed.
Yes, that time works. And could I get a rough estimate for the repair itself?
Typically between 50 and 90 pounds, depending on the parts needed. The final price will be confirmed after diagnosis.
Okay, that's fine. Please book me in.
Good. You were clear, asked about the estimate, and understood the call-out fee. Now, a more complex scenario. The handyman is already at your door. How do you explain the problem in person and show him?
I'd greet him, then lead him to the problem. I could say, "Hi, come in. Thanks for coming. The problem is here in the bathroom. The shower drain is completely clogged. The water drains very slowly." And then I'd show him.
Perfect. Use words like clogged, drain slowly. He will likely ask, how long has this been happening? Or have you used any drain cleaner? After he looks, he'll give you the final quote. You have the right to ask, could you break down the quote for me? What are the parts and what is the labor cost?
What if the price seems too high?
You can negotiate politely or ask for clarification. I see, that's a bit above my initial budget. Is there a less expensive part option, or could we agree on a fixed price for the labor? But remember, quality work has a fair price.
So the algorithm is 1. Call and state the problem clearly with the right verb, leaking, clogged, or broken. 2. Answer questions about details and schedule a time. 3. Always ask for a rough estimate and clarify fees. 4. When the master arrives, show the problem and discuss the final quote.
Exactly. This approach saves you time, money, and stress. It turns a frustrating situation into a simple, managed process. You're not just complaining, you're efficiently organizing a solution.
Thanks, Elena. I feel much more prepared to handle household crises in English.
Wonderful. May your taps never leak again. Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode of Chatterbox English.